Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can reset network settings on the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, we need to go to settings, and then go to more connectivity options, sorry about that. Then scroll down and go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. And then over here, as you can see, we can reset all these three features at once. Unfortunately, we cannot do that separately. If you are certain that you want to restore default settings for these things, you want to press this reset settings button at the bottom of the screen, enter the password, and then confirm that you want to do that. And of course, every Wi-Fi network will be forgotten, so you will need to enter or log into the Wi-Fi again. The same goes with mobile data. If you made some changes to the mobile data settings, you will need to redo them again. And of course, Bluetooth devices also will be forgotten, so you might need to connect to your smartphone again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!